Hey boys and girls, it's Mr. Marshall, and I'm going to teach you the game of basketball today. And in particular, I'm going to talk about dribbling. The number one thing you want to remember when dribbling is to get into a nice athletic stance. Notice she has her knees bent, her feet are slightly apart, and she is nice and balanced. Second thing you want to remember when dribbling the ball is to make sure that you get it in your fingertips. So she dribbles the ball in her fingertips and keeps it nice and close to her. If she was to put it into the palm of her hands, it would look pretty silly and it might actually go away from you. So she's going to keep it in the fingertips and not in the palm of her hand. And she can certainly switch it over to her other hand. If she does that over to her left hand, she still keeps it in her fingertips and it's on her side. Now let's go ahead and switch it back to her right hand. And she's going to make sure that that stays about waist high on her side, in her fingertips, and athletic stance. If for some reason she goes to use two hands at one time, this is called double dribbling, and we certainly don't want to do that. So here are the key points again to dribbling. Number one, athletic stance. Number two, keep it in your fingertips. Number three, you want it to be about waist high. And number four, you want to make sure that you are not double dribbling with two hands at once. If you can conquer dribbling in basketball, you're going to be a much better basketball player on the court and also in your phys ed class. Go Sixers!